Online surveys offer an easy way to earn extra cash and fast-track financial goals. Discover top legitimate survey sites like Branded Surveys, MyPoints, HeyPiggy, Prime Opinion, FreeCash, Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, Inbox Dollars, CashKick, and Opinion Outpost. Each site has different availability, age requirements, and payment methods. Considerations for selecting survey sites include reputation, number of surveys available, and payout methods. Maximize earnings by completing profiles, taking advantage of free offers, and prioritizing surveys with the highest payout rates. Best practices for taking online surveys include creating a separate email address, taking breaks, and installing antivirus software. Warning signs of potentially illegitimate survey sites include membership fees, lack of customer reviews, requests for private information, and difficult qualification processes. Surveys for money are legitimate, usually taking about 15 to 20 minutes to complete. Some survey sites offer cash instantly or provide signing bonus points. Companies pay individuals to take surveys to gather market research and consumer feedback. Start making money today with online surveys.